Good morning. It is Friday, May, I can't remember right now, 8th, Friday, May 8th. And remember, Mass is going to start at 8:15 this morning on the St. Joseph Facebook page, so you can turn to that because we'll do a Mass reflection later on. So we're going to be doing our math this morning, but for lesson 4, you needed to have pattern blocks like we have in our classroom, and I didn't send any home with your last packet. So if you have pattern blocks at your house, you can do lesson 4. I didn't bring any, and I don't have anything here, so I'm going to just give you a pass on this page on all of lesson 4 completely, on the problem set and on the homework. If you have it, you can do it, but you don't have to. So we're going to skip on to lesson 5 this morning. And you have to turn to, it starts on page 19, but I need you to turn all the way to page 23 and cut out the tanagram pieces. I cut mine out already. They're right there. And you can cut them all out. I just cut out the first one. And so we're just going to start, but let's first see if we can remember what these shapes are called. Say it. It's so weird when no one's here to talk with me. A triangle, and I have several triangles, and another triangle, and a triangle. I have a lot of triangles, and a triangle, and a triangle. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And I have one rhombus and one square. One rhombus and one square. So, let's see what the directions read today. How many shapes were used to make this large square? Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We used 7 shapes, and there they all are. So we're going to write 7 right there on the line. What are the names of the 3 types of shapes used to make the large square? Well, we just talked about them. Do you remember what they were called? Write them on the lines. Triangle, square, and rhombus. Okay? And next it says, use 2, these are called tanagram pieces. I don't know why they're called that. That's just what they're called. I would probably call them something like a pattern block, but the ones that we have in our classroom. Use 2 of your tanagram pieces to make a square. So I'm going to come over here and make a square. There we go. I could use 2 more triangles and make a square also. So I'm going to just like kind of sketch it out real fast. You don't have to do that part, especially because that sketch doesn't look very good. Which 2 pieces did you use? Draw or trace the pieces. They don't give you very much room, so if you just want to do a little drawing, you can. I'm going to say 2 triangles. Okay, use 4 of your tanagram pieces to make a trapezoid. 4. And do you remember what a trapezoid looks like? Kind of looks like that, with 2 parallel sides, this side, and then those other sides won't be parallel. So how can I do that? I need 4? Use 4 of them? You guys are so much better at this than I am, because I could do 3. No, does that make one? That makes one, but it said to use 4 of my pieces. 4 of my pieces. Oh, you guys, I'm not good at this. What could I do to 4? Use 4 of your tanagram pieces to make a trapezoid. Got me, guys. 4 pieces. I'll have to think on this one for a while. I don't know. I just don't know. Where's Miss Costa when I need her, huh? No, no. I'm trying everything. I'm trying everything to make a trapezoid. That'll teach me to bring home a teacher edition of a book to figure out how to do it right. That's a rhombus, and there's only 2. That's still not a trapezoid. Still nothing. I don't know, guys. I'm going to let you work on this one a little bit more. If you can come up with a solution, I'll be super excited. Oh my gosh. Mrs. Silva's gone crazy. Okay, maybe it has to do with, I don't know. I could do 3. I'm gonna say 3 might be all I can do. 3 pieces I can do. I'm gonna write that. I used 3. And it looks like this. When you guys all get this right, don't laugh at me. 1 square, 2 triangles. Oh my gosh. Struggling with first grade math. Right here on the internet. Okay. Use all 7 pieces. Use all 7 tanagram pieces to complete this puzzle. Well, I better be able to do this one. So, what do you think I should start with? I think that little ear, you know who's gonna do this way better than me? Okay, I got the top part. And that's obviously that part. Ha 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 ha, I got this one. Maybe I got this one. I'm gonna turn it over so it's the same side as the rest. And then this one. Oh my goodness, your brain really has to work differently when you're using these tanagram pieces. The next one says, with a partner, you can do it with a friend, somebody in your house, or you can just do it by yourself. Make a bird or a flower using all of your pieces. Draw or trace to show the pieces you used on the back of your paper. So I just got another piece of paper here. So let's see what I can create. All of them. I have to use all my pieces. Jeez Louise. I'm not very, a bird? Make a bird? A bird. Okay, well then I'm gonna make a bird. I'm gonna try and make a bird. Don't laugh. Make a bird. So I'm gonna start with its beak. Does it have to look just like a bird? The cat, I thought that was a cat on the other side that they did. So that's a bird beak, that's a bird head. I don't know. Here's a bird wing, that's the wing. Oh, you guys, this is not my good, I'm not very creative, I don't think. Okay, I don't think that looks like a bird. I'm gonna start again. I would like to see what you guys are making. Okay, this time I'm going to make a flower. It's gotta be easier than the bird. So, a flower. You know, I used to watch you guys using those pattern blocks in class and think, man, those kids are so good at those pattern blocks. And you would make the prettiest designs and everything, and I'm not good at these pattern blocks. That's what I know. I don't know what I'm making, guys. Be creative. More creative than me. That's a flower, but I didn't even use all my pieces. It said to use all the pieces. So just have some fun with these pattern shapes today. Enjoy yourself. And let me see. Oh, let's look at the homework a little bit and see if it's anything that's really tricky. Oh, you need to cut out the other set of tangram. But you really only need one for the whole thing, so don't worry about it. That's on page 19. This would have been if you were at school and took it home. Make sure you know the names of the shapes. Make a square, make a oh, C says use one more piece to change the trapezoid into a rectangle. Oh, guys, those are hard for me. Make an animal with all of your pieces. Draw a trace to show the pieces you used. Label your drawing with this animal's name. Good luck with those. Try your best. Make it creative. I'm not sure that I'm very good at this. Okay, have a good day, guys. Don't forget math.